Well, tonight the FDA is sending out a warning about fake Botox.
Yeah, this alert actually comes after reported illnesses across 9 states, and North Carolina is not one of those states. Important to mention that, but the CDC is warning everyone to avoid unlicensed practitioners. CBS 17's Maggie Newland is live for us tonight with this. And Maggie, how could this impact folks in North Carolina?
Department says at this point it has not received any reports of illness linked to Botox injections, but we talked to providers about how you can make sure you're getting the real thing. At Blue Ridge Dermatology, Botox is kept inside a locked refrigerator.
So this is what it looks like.
Inside the box, a vial containing the neurotoxin.
This is a tiny amount of powder that makes 100 units.
It's used cosmetically to paralyze facial muscles and reduce wrinkles. But the FDA is warning of counterfeit Botox in boxes and vials that look like this. At first glance, very similar to the FDA-approved product. Dermatologist Dr. Shelley Cathcart says used properly, Botox is generally very safe, but it is made from the same substance that causes the potentially deadly illness botulism.
The danger is if you get a lot of that toxin, it can paralyze muscles you did not mean to have paralyzed. And so in larger quantities, botulism is where you actually get paralysis of like your diaphragm or the muscles you need to breathe. If somebody is messing with these, trying to recreate this, I mean, it would be really dangerous.
According to the CDC, 19 people have gotten sick after getting the injections, and 9 of them ended up in the hospital. The FDA says it appears the counterfeit products were bought from unlicensed sellers, and some providers were not licensed or not in a medical setting.
You should know who's injecting you and who their medical director is and who their supervising physician is.
Amanda Dunning is a nurse practitioner and the owner of Glow to Thee Med Spa. She says only medical professionals are allowed to purchase or administer neurotoxins in North Carolina.
You need to have a physician who basically purchases it from a pharmaceutical company. They have to be a reputable pharmaceutical company. And then who can provide it is a nurse practitioner. They can prescribe it and provide it, as well as an RN.
And she says it's very important to find a reputable facility for injections. There are some subtle differences between the counterfeit product and the real thing, and we have a list of those on our website, CBS17.com. We're live in Raleigh. Maggie Newland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Maggie, thanks so much. We appreciate it.